Hello, what up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy, Famous Nelson, and today I want to show you guys how to share your vocal presets or any preset at all. How to share your presets with other FL Studio mobile users. It could be vocal presets, it could be instrumental if presets or whatsoever presets you want to share on FL Studio Mobile. On my last tutorial, I taught you guys how to download and install free vocal presets and how to also use them in FL Studio Mobile. So I really want to make this very easy for you guys so that you can also share your presets with other FL Studio Mobile users. Please, in case you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notified each time I upload a new video. So let's get started. So if you want to share your presets in FL Studio Mobile, the first thing you got to do is you click here. So this is the preset I have here. And let's just scroll down. It contains about 5 to 6 different presets. If I want to share this particular preset, what I have to do now is click on this icon at the top here. Then you click on Save Rake Preset. So you have to first of all save it before you can share it. Now this is the current name. You can decide to change the name or leave it like this. So let's just leave it like this and click on Save. After saving it, the next thing you do is click on the Apple icon at the right side of your screen. And you see these options. Just click on Back and it will take you back. Then click on My Rakes. Now this is the preset we just saved. You can see it at the top. It's the very first one. Now you click on it to mark it. Then you click on this icon at the down here. You see Export. You click on Export. And next time you just click on Send. Now it will bring out different social media platform in which you can actually share. You can use to share these presets with your friends. I personally love using Gmail and Telegram. They are the best ones I love to use whenever I'm sharing preset because I tried using WhatsApp several times, but it actually disappointed me. So the best one I figured out is Telegram and Gmail. So let's click on Telegram. And please make sure your data network is turned on because you need data connection to send it to whomever you want to send it to. So I'll let you say I'm sending it to my friend Barnabas. So I just have to click on Barnabas and share it with him. So I have successfully shared this preset with my friend Barnabas. So he can actually come online and download it and start using it. I made a separate tutorial on how to install and use vocal presets in FL Studio Mobile. In case you don't know how to install them in FL Studio Mobile or you don't know how to use presets in FL Studio Mobile, make sure you watch that video. I'll drop the link in the description of those videos. So you just click on the link to watch how to install presets in FL Studio Mobile.